This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a Chai Peng staple, stir-fried potatoes and sausages. For this recipe, we need a pack of hot dog sausages. Any type of meat and any type of flavour you fancy. Cut them up into finger width size. Peel and cut the potatoes into cubes. Cut them into the same size as the hot dog cubes. Prepare the sauce. Mix together 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, two teaspoons of soy sauce, and quarter teaspoon of white pepper. In a hot pan, over medium heat, heat up 3 tablespoons of oil. Put in the potatoes and give it a quick toss to coat it with the oil. Spread the potatoes in one layer at the bottom of the pan. Fry the potatoes till they are lightly brown. When the potatoes are lightly brown, add in 120 ml of water and the onions. Cover and let it cook till the water is almost dry and the potatoes are tender. Push the potatoes aside . Add a little more oil if necessary. And fry the garlic for about 30 seconds till it's fragrant. Then add in the sausages. Stir fry this for a minute. Pour in the prepared sauce. And make sure that all the potatoes and sausages are coated. When the sausages and potatoes are coated with the sauce, we are done. This is stir-fried potatoes and sausages.